Hello guys, and welcome. Sorry about that. So yeah, okay, now we're just gonna play some servers. If this doesn't work, I'll be it's okay. Let's play some these babies. Let's try Sky Wars. First place. I'm not actually a super player. Yeah. So be ready. In 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay guys, this is it. We're just waiting in here. Oh, there it is. Be ready for that, be ready for that, yeah. Nobody can see my face. Okay, what's happening? Ready, go. Let's check this chest. Nice stuffs. Give me those arrows. Yeah, thanks. Oh, that was so quick. I only have a diamond. Some helmets, some caps. Oh, I didn't notice that I have a diamond. Okay, go. I have a diamond chest plate. Diamond pants. Well, okay, now am I seeing this or not? I have no blocks. What? Oh wait, there it is. Thought I have no blocks. Wait, what does this say? What? 3 survive. What the? It's just starting. It's just my start. The game will end after 9 minutes. Okay, that's good. If I fall down to this, if I got shot by someone, I would be really happy. Okay, now blocks. 30 blocks left for me. Oh no. Get ready. Well, no more yet. 3, 2, 1. No more blocks. That's harsh. Go! Goodness. Go. I have a diamond sword. Who doesn't notice this? Diamond sword! Diamond sword attack! Diamond sword. Hey, nice sword. No, but you're not cooler. You go killed. Me gonna win. Nobody's getting in my way. Nice. He has ow! Hey you! Let's fight it. Fight! Oh no! I have half a heart. No, I forgot to run. Go up! Go! No! I died. GG. I was killed. GG, mate. GG. Game over. I am dead. Let's play the next round. Go. Just waiting. Okay, now be waiting. Okay, now let's go to the next round. We have only 2 rounds. If I lost so speedy, it's the end of the yeah. Okay, go out. Let's just what's that wind? Is that a windmill? Okay, I don't want it. No, wait. Okay, yeah. No, I glitched. Give me that. Oh, God. What? Am I really here or not? Looking for enough players to win. What? I just broke that. Hi. So we're back in a sec. Okay, that is it, guys. See you tomorrow and study. See you tomorrow. Bye.